In a unanimous vote, School District 204 board members rejected plans to offer a virtual charter school. School board members had 30 days after the initial proposal to decide on whether to offer online education as an alternative to public schools. The for-profit company K-12 is contracting with a not-for-profit organization, Virtual Learning Solutions, to offer web-based lessons in 18 different school districts in the region, including both 203 and 204 in Naperville. Both districts held public hearings last month to gauge the community's reaction. K-12 representatives failed to answer an extensive list of questions asked by both boards and community members. Though they later responded with more than 1,000 pages of general information, 204 board members said they were still left with too many questions. The Illinois State Charter School Commission could override 204's decision, forcing the district to use taxpayer money to enroll students in the program. The proposed online charter school is estimated to cost the district $8,000 per student. Naperville School District 203 is expected to make their decision on April 15th.